Okay, another long item is exactly what I was thinking of. That would look really cute. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Christmas haul for you guys today. However, this one is a little bit different because this time I went to the range. I don't typically go to the range, and that's purely and simply because there isn't one near us. So because we drove through a location that had a range, it meant I was able to go in and do some Christmassy shopping. The one we went to was enormous and I was really impressed with all of their crafty bits. Like, they've got a huge creative DIY, make your own Christmas ornaments, make your own Christmas decorations section, which I absolutely loved, and I got some of those bits I'll show you today. But yeah, let's get straight on into this range Christmas haul. Okay, so firstly, I think I'll start with the most delicate item that I picked up, and that is this glass bauble. So it's blown glass. It's kind of like a snow globe. It has like confetti inside, a little house and 2 Christmas trees. I'm always a little bit hesitant about buying glass baubles just because I feel like they smash really easily, but I couldn't resist just picking up one this year. The lights that we had on our Christmas tree last year stopped working, so I got a box of 600 warm white lights. And now that I've got it home, I'm kind of debating on whether I should have picked up more lights because I like the tree to look well lit and I really love that whole glittery look on the Christmas tree. So I'm not sure if it's 600 lights is going to quite give me that, but I'm sure it's enough. So the first item I got out of their create your own or DIY Christmas section is this gingerbread garland kit. So this is what it looks like on the front. I guess this is all like the possibilities of what you can create. And then this is what you actually get in the pack. So this is everything that it comes with. I think this is a really fun activity that you can do with children, or I could just sit there myself and do it. I could definitely see myself just sitting there and creating this myself because I do love crafting, but I think I'm probably going to rope my niece and nephew into making a gingerbread garland, either for my own tree, or I may actually allow them to take it home with them. But yeah, really loved this. The next thing I got is this create your own clay Christmas tree. And this is what you get in a pack. So you get all these different pots of clay, different colours, and then some Christmas tree molds as well, and then wooden stubs for the base. Now, right before I started doing my Christmas shopping, I said that I wanted to try and make my own gingerbread cushion this year. And then I ended up buying a gingerbread cushion house for my sofa, but I still thought it would be a really lovely idea to actually make a gingerbread man. And then I stumbled across this. It's exactly what I was thinking of. So it comes with everything you need to create your own gingerbread man. This is exactly what I had in mind, and maybe I'll show you guys what he looks like once he's complete. And then we also saw these really cute Hello Kitty advent calendars. And instead of being stuffed with chocolate, they're filled with stationery. Everything that you get in the pack. It's a very similar system. Every day you open one box and it reveals a piece of stationery. So we got 2 boxes of these and they will be gifts. I kind of forgot that I picked up this tree ornament. So I got this gold glittery star. And now for some home decor items. So I got this black over-the-bath bamboo bridge. We've desperately been needing a new one of these. So our previous one was a chestnut colour, but we got it in black this time. Okay, another long item. So the next thing we got is this draft excluder. And now that it's getting a bit colder, the draft is making the house way colder than it needs to be. Every year when it gets a bit cold, we say we should probably get a draft excluder. So we made sure to pick up one this time. And then again for the bathroom, we got this new hand towel, which is green and has white Christmas trees. And then it's reversible as well, so white with green trees, and then it has a little red car. And then we saw that they had a great selection of Christmas bags, so we picked up a bunch of these. So we got a white gingerbread one. And then we got a green with red nutcrackers. We also got one that's covered in dogs for a dog lover. And then I also got another one of these, but just a way bigger version as well. In my previous Christmas shopping haul, I got some wrapping paper and then I picked up 2 more rolls. So again, the same brown paper and then red trees, and then this one has green trees. In my previous B&M haul, I spoke about trying to find red bows for my Christmas tree. I didn't have any luck in the range as well. They did have some bows, but just not the ones I was looking for. And then I thought maybe I'll try and make my own bows, so stay tuned for that, and I'll show you guys if I do actually make that. But then I also saw this tartan roll of ribbon, which I think I'm going to wrap my gifts in this year. That would look really cute. And now lastly, for some cleaning items. So we got 2 more pairs of washing up gloves. These are just standard yellow gloves. And then these ones are actually fleece lined on the inside. We got some super glue for a project we're working on at the moment, a pack of anti-bac wipes, some fresh linen concentrated disinfectant, and then lastly a pack of bin liners. That's everything that I picked up from the range this time. Like I said earlier, I was incredibly impressed with their make it your own, create your own Christmas selection. So looking forward to getting started on some of those projects. But yes, if you like this video guys, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, then please make sure you're subscribed. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.